This is the first passage of that chapter. Those who have not seen this earlier, please see the line. Bheshajam avacharayan prageva tavad evam aduram pariksheta. Aduram pariksheta. With whatever information you have collected so far about Vyadhi, now you superimpose those information onto an individual. Adura. How does it start? Very interesting. Kasmin ayam deshe jataha. Adura pariksha. Kasmin ayam deshe jataha. I am kasmin deshe jataha. The place of birth. Samvriddha. Growth. Vyadhidova. These old lessons, these very old lessons, which was documented in Ashtanga Sangraha, but which could be as old as sun and moon, are becoming very, very relevant today. All the story of travels, history, then mapping, travel mapping, route mapping, then where did he come from? Was he infected at that place? Kasmin deshe vyadhitaha. Today morning only I just went through an article. There are 19 types of COVID. 19 types of COVID-19 has become 19 types of COVID strains. So that from Italy varies from that from China. Maybe different in UK, maybe different in USA. Now here in India, it is again different. In spite of the huge number of patients, the mortality, the case fatality rate is very less because desha counts. Desha counts. And we have to know kasmimscha deshe manushyanam idam aharajadam. If you know that this person is from the place X, you should have some basic understanding about what will be the aharajadam in that place, the eating pattern. Idam viharajadam, edavad balam, evam vidham sattvam, evam vidham satmyam, iyam bhakti, ime vyadhayaha, hidamidam, ahidamidam iti. So you are collecting some very important information regarding desha. Then don't think that I have, from seeing this, don't think that I have made your Hutchison's clinical methods into Sanskrit. Then next passage. Pragrahanena kena va nidana visheshena asya kupido doshaha. See the precision of thinking. We may learn that tiktoshana kashaya paruksha pramida bhojanaihi dharano dirana nishajagara atyucha bhashanaihi etc. for Vadagopa. Fine. Pragrahanena kenava nidana visheshena asya kupido doshaha. Look for that. Nidana vishesha. Next line. Doshasya hi ekasya api bahavaha prakope hetavaha. Ekasya api doshasya prakope bahavaha hetavaha. Tasmad yathaswam lakshanaihi karmabhihi cha buddhva bhishak dosham evam avagamed. Two words. Lakshanaihi karmabhihi cha buddhva. Lakshanaihi karmabhihi cha dosham buddhva. So from that vikara prakriti, you understand the dosha, and then onwards, evam avagamayed tadyadha kim aharena kupido vayuhu kim viharena. Example, Vayu. Kim aharena kupitaha Vayuh? Is this Vayu is kupita by ahara? Kim viharena or by vihara? Tadha rukshena lakhuna shishirena va. Rukshena kupitaha ayam Vayuh. Lakhuna kupitaha ayam Vayuh. Shishirena kupitaha ayam Vayuh. Again, sahasena vegarodhena va. Bhayena shokena va. Sahasena vegarodhena bhayena shokena. So all comes, ahara, vihara, everything comes. Why? Because ahara kupita vayu and vihara kupita vayu needs separate attention, separate intervention, precision prescription. Tatascha talpratipaksham aushadham prayujyamanam ashu siddhaye sambadhyate. So it is not a broad approach. It is a sharp, precise approach. Tatascha talpratipaksham aushadham prayujyamanam ashu anayasena siddhaye sambadhyate. So you have to come to a precise prescription. There are multiple variables that you have to consider. One part we have explained. One was taking the very detailed history of the patient in terms of ahara, vihara, desha, kala, satmya, sattva, satmya, bhakti, hidam, ahidam. Then dosha jnanam. Lakshanaihi karmabhihi buddhva evam avagmed tadyatha kim aharena kupito vayuh kim viharena etc etc tadascha talpratipaksham aushadham prayujyamanam ashu siddhaye sambadhyate. An example: gulmam baddha shagridvadam vadigam tivravedanam rukshashidodbhavam rukshashidodbhavam vadigam gulmam tailaihi sadhayed vadarogidaihi. So if it is not rukshashidodbhava, approach will be different. Just as an example, I showed this slide. Fine. Then tadanandaram cha upalabheda. Tadanandaram cha upalabheda mrudu madhya adimatra vikalpanaya kadham nidanamase vidam. Mrudu madhya adimatra vikalpanaya. So you are going to understand the strength of the nidana. The strength of the nidana. Why? Ekarupasya abhihi hetoho mrudvadi vibhagena prithak samavedanam cha doshanam amshamsha bala vikalpa visheshad vyadhehe bala bala vishesha. So vyadhi bala bala vishesham is directly proportional to nidana bala bala vishesham. For example, sahasam is a cause for Rajayakshma. Vegarodham is a cause for Rajayakshma. Sneha Kshayam is a cause for Rajayakshma. In one particular Rajayakshma rogi, there is only one cause, Vega Samrodham. Fine. The strength of the Rajayakshma may be 1 unit. He has Sahasam as well. Nidana is stronger. Vyadhibala will be stronger. He has Sneha Parikshaya for many other reasons. Nidana still stronger. Vyadhi still stronger. This is going to influence your prescription. This is going to influence your prescription. We will see it. Again, Tadha Kasya Dhama Adhisthaya Vyadhirayam avasthitaha idi nirupayed. Kasya dhama adhishtaya ayam vyadhihi avasthitaha. Why? Whose seat is the seat of this vyadhi? Because प्रविसृतः हि दोषः स्वमेव स्थानमादङ्गाय अधितिष्ठन् दुस्तरः भवति मूर्धादीन् वा अधितिष्ठन् दुस्तरः भवति. So if a dosha settles down in its own seat, the vyadhi will be stronger. If the dosha settles down in murdhadi, shirohridaya vastyadi marmani, madhyama roga marga, then disease will be stronger. So sthana visheshena bheshaja visheshaha paryeshitavyah. Sthana visheshena bheshaja visheshaha paryeshitavyah. Very important statement. Bheshaja visheshaha sthana visheshena paryeshitavyah. Then there is another important point. The cause and effect part. Sometimes there could be a relationship between the cause and the effect, which will be direct, simple. Karananvidhayitvad karyanam. So, in such cases, take the case of a vikara, vyadhi. Vyadhi is the effect, karyam. Karanam, the nidana. Multiple factors related to the nidana. When the sum total of those factors gives you the correct idea about the karya, the roga, it is a simple equation. It is called prakriti sama samavaya. You have lot of freedom. You have lot of freedom. But sometimes it need not be like that. Amla lavana priyada precipitates a vyadhi called Vispoda Kushta. It is a direct equation. There is nothing mystic, secret in it. Not mystic, but mysterious. There is nothing secret in it. But take the case of Madhumeha. Madhura Kabhamedo Vardhaga Nidanam, and the effect Karya is Madhumeha, where Kabhameda Kshaya is setting in, and Kadu is the presence. Kadu Rasa is the presence. Madhura Rasa starts as Nidana, Karya is Kadu Rasa. Kabhamedo Vardhaga Nidana, Karya is Kabhameda Kshaya. So it is not a simple equation. Such conditions are known as Vikriti Vishama Samavaya. This can happen in the case of Aushadhas as well. Vyaghriyadi Kashayam, Vyagri Shundhya Mridakwadhaha, all are Kabhavada Hara. There is no mystery in it. This yoga should bring about Kabhavada, bring down Kabhavada. It happens. There is no any unexpected outcome. It is a Prakriti Sama Samaveda yoga. But take the case of Kalyanaga Kridam, Amedhasi, Skaladwaji, Smridikame, Alpapavage. This is the quality of the Karya. You cannot sum up the Karana, the ingredients, and predict that it will be like this. So there is a Vikriti Vishama Samavayam in it. So when there is a Prakriti Sama Samavayam between the cause and the effect, your prescription can be simple, direct, straightforward. But in Vikriti Vishama Samavaya, you have to be careful. The assessment of Vyadhi can go wrong. The assessment of Aushadha can go wrong. So that is very important. Find the connection between the cause and effect. Then, tatascha evam alojayed. Kasya ayam aushadhasya vyadhihi aduro va yogyaha. ayam vyadhihi aduraha va. See, vyadhihi aduraha va kasya aushadhasya yogyah. Which should be the medicine? Kiyado va, how much? Why? Doshanurupo hi bhaishajya pramana vikalpaha vyadhi vyadhida balaveksho bhavati. Fine, you have made a good sense of dosha, but the bhaishajya pramana vikalpaha should be as per vyadhi bala apeksha vyadhida balaveksha. So you should ask kasyayam aushadhasya vyadhihi aduro va yogyah kiyato va. There may be many questions regarding. We are going to assess what is going to be the medicine or the treatment, whether it is shamana or shodhana. Shamana generally here includes the aushadha yukta shamana, and shodhana is basically vamana and virechana. Of course, many other things are there, but basically vamana and virechana. And regarding the vyadhi bala, we have seen alpa mrudu madhya. Sorry, alpa mrudu adi. In vyadhida bala, alpa, madhya and adi. This classification is significant. As far as the shamana chikitsa is concerned, this is the rule. Dhadavaha khalu shariraha samanaihi samana guna bhuishtaihi va ahara viharaihi abhyasyamanaihi vruddhim apnuvandi. So shamana chikitsa is basically an application of samanya vishesha siddhantam. And interestingly, it revolves around Agni. Pajanam, Deepanam, Chutrit, Vyayamadapa Marutaha. It revolves around Agni. My guru, during my early days of training, used to say that if you meet with a case where these sort of vikalpas are very tough to understand, just focus on Agni. Just focus on Agni. Shamapragobau doshanam sarvesham agni hedugau, as told by Charaga in Gulma Chikilsitam. So, correct the Agni, everything will fall in. Everything will come to the line. So, Shamana Chikilsa is basically Agni Chikilsa. So, focus on Agni. It's Avastha Bhedam. It's Avastha Bhedam. Then, consider the Swadandra Paradandra stages to understand the bala of the vikara, which we discussed earlier. Sometimes adibala shodhanam in alpa sattva, alpa bala or mrudu vyadhi can create vyapat of adiyoga. Adibala shodhanam in alpa sattva, alpa bala mrudu vyadhi. Alpasatva rogi, alpa bala rogi, mrudu vyadhi. It will create adiyoga vyabad. Adibala shamanam in mrudu vyadhi, again adiyoga chance. Adibala shamanam in alpagni, angasadam and glani. Adibala shamanam alpabala rogi, Murcha, Madam, Moham, Glani, Balakshayam, all these things will be the result. Alpamatram aushadham in adibala vyadhi, akinjitkaram, no use, yoga udiragam, it will increase the vyadhi further. Alpabalam aushadham in adibala vyadhi, akinjitkaram, useless, except Roga Udiranam. Likewise, many combinations could be possible based on the Vyadhida Balam. So the Aushadha Balam should be in tune with the Vyadhida Balam. Generally, the general guideline is that in Adisthula, please note, There is no slide for that. In Adisthula, Adikrisha, Durbala, Durbadha Mamsa Shonida Asti Anga Avayava. Durbadha Mamsa Shonida Asti Anga Avayava. Alpagni, Alpahara, Alpagni, Alpahara, Asatmyahara, Apachita, Sararahita. All the category, these members of this category of patients should be treated with medicines which are non-distressing, avishadakara, mild and easy to use, mrudu sukha, and non-complicating, avibhramakara, non-complicating, and the strength of the treatment, the medicines should be gradually increased, not all of a sudden. Uttarottara Guru, slow increase in strength. And this approach should be more specifically applied in the case of females and children. Whenever there is a epidemic, generally there is a guideline. Pregnant women, aged people, children, they are on high risk. In the same way here also, those categories should be more attended. They should be cared more. Okay, so now we have very close to a prescription. Many things we have considered. Now we have to find out one medicine. So generally a Vaidya should have some basic understanding about the medicine that he is going to prescribe. We have forgotten this lesson. We do not know. What is that? Yogyam abicha aushadham evam pariksheta. Idam evam rasavirya vipagam. Evam gunam. Evam dravyam. Evam karma. Evam prabhavam. Asmin deshe jadam. Asmin rudau. Evam grihidam. Evam nihidam. Evam vihidam. Evam nishidham. Evam upasamskritam. Evam samyuktam. Anaya matraya. Evam yuktam. Evam vidhasya purushasya. Evam vidhe kale. Edam upasamayadiva. See the variables to be considered. Of course, when we are treating with some medicine on the rack of the pharmacy, you will not get the freedom or the luxury of taking all these points into consideration. But at least during the formative years, during the training period, these points are to be taken seriously into consideration. Because whatever you learn during your formative years is going to make you. You are what you learn. Again, anyadapicha evam vidham bheshajam abhud tanmanena va visheshena prayuktam idam agarod. There could be an alternative medicine which, if given in that specific dose, will deliver the same functions. The points we are discussing, the nature of the medicine in terms of Panchabhuta, its Rasavirya Vipaka, the expected functions, identifying the features in terms of Karma Vishesha, place of origin, season of collection, mode of collection, storage, dosage form or kalpana, contraindications and special precautions. We generally boast that there is no contraindication for Ayurvedic medicine. It is not so. Evam nishiddham. Processing, compounding, the customized dose or the specific dose in the given situation, mode or route of administration of that medicine, the suitable individual to whom you are going to administer this, time in terms of kshanadi, Then Vyadhyavastha, the dosha matra targeted. Then expected outcome, shamanam or shodhanam. Then alternative with the same efficacy. All these things are to be considered as far as a thorough understanding of the medicine to be prescribed is concerned. Next is
Hello.
Sheetam, Ushnam and Varsham. More important in the case of Shodhana Chikitsa. But another thing is Aduravastha, Vyadhyavastha. Aduravasthasu tu kala kalasapnya. Tad yatha asyam avasthayam asya aushadhasya kalaha akalo va. Very important. Asyam avasthayam asya aushadhasya kalaha akalo va. Why? Aprapta adita kalam aushadham nahi yaugigam bhavati. Aprapta kalam aushadham adita kalam aushadham cha na yaugigam bhavati. They will not work as you expect. So actually, kala is understood as that segment or piece of time identified as appropriate for intervention in the patient's movement, travel through a disease. A patient is traveling through a disease. It's a flow, continuous flow, the course of the Vyadhi. Sometimes it may be in an arithmetic progression, but sometimes it may be geometric progression. So every movement is important. Every kshana is important. And any point of entry into that flow is a kala, is a kriya kala. It is a vyadhyavastha. And an avastha becomes significant only if you attend that avastha. Otherwise, it is gone. Only if you attend that avastha is important. So a Vaidya should assess his point of entry into the stream of Vyadhi and see the promptness and appropriateness of an intervention for that kala. That is Vyadhyavastha Vibhagatnyaha. Vyadhyavastha Vibhagatnyaha. Then 11 Aushadha Kalas are mentioned. 11 Aushadha Kalas. Abhaktam, Pragbhaktam, Madhyabhaktam, Adhobhaktam, Sabhaktam, Andarabhaktam, Samudgam, Sagras, Muhurmuhu, Sagrasam, Grasandaram, and Nisi. I do not know how serious we are about this point. I have tried many of these kalas as such, and I'm convinced of the result what we are going to get if you focus on it to make a prescription precise. Everybody may be knowing the details of these Aushadha kalas, but some of them are very interesting. See, there are some Aushadha kalas or special type of administrations which we may not attend at all. Say, for example, Sabhaktam. Sabhaktam is a classical way of giving a medicine. A classical way of giving a medicine either prepared along with food or mixed later, and in those patients who are having arochaka. This is an excellent way for bringing Agni Deepti. This is an excellent way. In children, this is an excellent way of drug, of Aushadha Kala. And in Sarvangaga Vyadhis, you should try this Sabhakta. Then another interesting kala which I have experienced recently, that is Grasandaram. Grasandaram is an Aushadha kala for Prananila Vikriti. I had a patient maybe 1 month back, and the patient is having the complaint that he cannot swallow. The diagnosis from the modern side is that it is motor neuron disease. Fine. Many other things are slowly evolving, may become clearer in the coming months or days. Right now, the main issue was he cannot swallow. Very difficult. So, Prananila Vigridau, Sagrasam, Grasandaram. These are the two Aushadha kalas. Because Anna Pravesha Krit is Pranavayu. So here there is Anna Pravesha Krit affected. So the medicine was given. If I am right, I think it was something like Abhragavasmam mixed with Mahatiktagankhridam or something like that. And that was given 1.5 teaspoon of Mahatiktagankhridam with 1 standard dose of Abhragavasmam given as this Grasandaram. Grasandaram. 1 morsel of food followed by 1 finger scoop of this Ghridam. And after 2 weeks, this Bhaktarodham, this difficult swallowing, improved remarkably well. I don't mean that it is cured, because the disease is still in its course of evolution. But that particular complaint improved remarkably well. In the same way, all these Aushadha kalas can be clinically utilized, not utilized for gaining examination marks alone. There are many other things to be taken into consideration. If you survey the Chikitsa Sthanam, you will be finding n number of occasions where the strategy is changed according to Vyadhyavastha. There may be many examples. Say for giving one example, you may find that, okay, this Kramoyam Baddhasagritam in Arshas, after listing out a series of treatment modules, one statement, this is for Baddhasakrit. If it is not Baddhasakrit, Sladhavit, strategy is different. So you should understand it. You should inquire it. Kashayapana Pathyanir Dashaha idi Lemkhide Sarpirdadyad Kabhe Mande Vada Pittotare Jware. Kabhe Mande Vada Pittotare Jware Sarpirdadyad. So it's a Vyadhyavastha. In terms of Vyadhi Adura, we have to find it. The most easy, the easiest example could be the Yavaguin Jwara. Praglajapeyam sujaram sashundi dhanya pippalim. Praglajapeyam sujaram sashundi dhanya pippalim sasaindhavam. Then tadha amlarthi tan pibet sahadadimam. If the patient is amlarthi, you improvise the prescription of diet. Then if he is hikkaruk swasakasavan Hrasvena Panjamulena Yuktam. Hikkaruk swasakasavan Hrasvena Panjamulena Yuktam. Kabhartaha Panjamulena Mahada Yavasadhidam Peyam. Panjamulena Mahada Yavasadhidam Peyam. Vibadha Varcha Sayavam Pipalyamalagay Kridam. Koste Vibadhe Saruji Chaviga Pippali Mula Drakshamalaganagarai. Parikartini Kola Vrikshamla Kalashi Dhavani Sribhalai Kritam. See, it is not about giving payout to Jurita. It is not about giving payout to Jurita, but to give the correct payout to the Jurita, the precise payout to the Jurita. about medicine, about food, about vihara. Aushadhanna viharanam. Don't focus on aushadha alone. Don't over prescribe. Prescribe precisely. Then ashu, the result will come. Ashu, the result will come. Aushadhanna vihara, equally important. That is the prescription in Ayurveda. If you want just quick response alone, you focus on aushadha, no issue. But if you need sustainable, proper shuddha chikitsa, aushadhanna viharanam. And vihara will be the topmost priority, ahara second, the third priority should be aushadha. So there is a lot of art in prescribing. In the same chapter, there are a few more good slokas, which I hope I would share with you, because they are clinically important. Punarvyadhihi alpena ayadi heduna nivrittobi punarvyadhihi alpena ayadi. Alpena heduna punaha ayadi. An Ayurvedic physician in an ideal settlement setting is supposed to be having the jnana of hedau linge prashamane roganam apunarbhave. Roganam apunarbhave as well. So nivrittaha api vyadhi alpena heduna punaha ayadi. Why? The deha is doshaihi margikritah. So tasmat tam anubadhniyad, that is the responsibility of a vaidya. Tasmat tam anubadhniyad prayogena napayina, and make sure that the disease is derooted, completely healed. Very important. Saptahena gunalabhe. Even out of the best of our efforts, you may go wrong. Then wait for upashaya. Saptahena gunalabhe kriyamanyam prayojayed purvasyam shandavegayam. There should not be vairudhya. Together. Viruddha upakramata should not be generated. The disease itself can have viruddha upakramata, making it tough to treat. But from the kriya sangaram, vairudhyam should not happen. So wait for purvasyam shandavegayam and change the strategy. Then maybe the most beautiful concluding line of this chapter. First two lines, how to make the medicine sharp and powerful. Viryavad bhavidam samyak swarasaihi asakrit. That is one way of making your medicine stronger. Swarasaihi asakrit samyak bhavana. During bhavana, asakrit, multiple times bhavana in its own swarasa will make one medicine viryavad and lakhu. Then the medicine should be rasagandhadi sampannam. Perfect. Rasagandhadi sampannam. Kale. It should not be ayaugigam. Not adita kalam, not aprapta kalam. Kale. Jirne. Aushadha jirnam is a criminal offense that the modern day vaidyas commit. Aushadha jirnam. Loading the system with medicines. Loading the system with medicine. Make your food your medicine is told by acharyas of all ages. But we are making medicines the food and creating ajirna. So jirne, matraya. Then the next line, egagra manasa yuktam. Egagra manasa yuktam. Shraddhaya, bhaktya. Shraddha is not about egagrada alone. it is about bhakti as well. Egagra manasa yuktam bhaishajyam amridayade. Egagra manasa yuktam bhaishajyam amridayade. It becomes almost same as amrit. So there is a lot of art in prescribing. There are many points which are to be learned properly and improvised promptly, timely. And if that art is mastered, this is going to happen. What? Bhaishajyam amritayate. Your medicine is going to become the amrit. So I think with that I will conclude this presentation. So I will show that first slide which I showed earlier once again. Read this after listening to all the points what we were discussing so far. Sukshmani hi dosha ushadha dushya desha kala bala anala ahara rasa satmya sattva prakriti vayasam avasthandarani. Sukshmani hi dosha ushadha dushya desha kala bala anala ahara rasa satmya sattva prakriti vayasam avasthandarani yani analojitani nihanyuraduram alochyamanani punaha vipula buddhimapi chikilsakam akulikuryuhu. So what to be done? Tasmad abhikshnashaha shastrartha karmanusilanena samskurvida prajnam. Prajnam samskurvida. That is the take-home message in this art of prescribing session. Abhikshnashaha shastrartha karmanusilanena samskurvida prajnam. There is no shortcut. There is no shortcut for becoming an excellent prescriber, an excellent Vaidya, who is Vyadhyavastha Vibhagajna. I am concluding. Thank you for patient listening. I do not know whether I communicated something. I know that it was quite textual and theoretical. I do not regret. That is what I came prepared for.